Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Tower. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Tower is making unusual noises during use, it's likely due to a failing component, such as a fan or hard drive. Ignoring these noises can lead to further damage, ultimately resulting in a complete failure of your device. It's crucial to address these issues promptly to ensure your computer operates smoothly and efficiently. For this repair, you'll need a screwdriver set, some thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. To begin, first turn off your Dell Tower and unplug it from the power source. It's important to allow the device to cool down before proceeding. Carefully remove the side panel by unscrewing the screws at the back. Make sure to keep these screws safe. Once the panel is off, take a moment to inspect the interior. Listen closely to identify where the noise is coming from. If it's the fan, you may notice it's covered in dust or debris. To clean it, use the can of compressed air to gently blow out any dust. If the fan is damaged, you'll need to remove it. Disconnect the power cable connected to the fan and unscrew it from its mount. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage surrounding components. If you're replacing the fan, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the new fan before installing it. Secure the new fan in place and reconnect the power cable. If the noise is coming from the hard drive, the process is similar. Locate the hard drive bay, disconnect the cables, and unscrew the drive. Again, be gentle with the surrounding parts. Once you have your new hard drive, install it by reversing the process. Remember to ensure all cables are securely connected. After replacing either component, carefully reattach the side panel and screw it back into place. Plug the device back in and power it up. Listen to ensure the noise has stopped. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from arising again, regularly clean your device's interior and ensure proper airflow. Keeping your Dell Tower in a dust-free environment can significantly extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.